I got the magic elixir for dry hair and dandruff using 5 essential ingredients that are going to give you the treatment that you need to combat that issue and be rid of it for good. So many people suffer from dry scalp and dandruff. This often happens because there's an imbalance in the microbiome of the person's scalp. And today, I'm going to be showing you how to make a scalp paste that will both soothe your scalp and also give you balance in your scalp's microbiome today. So let's get into this recipe. I'm going to show you those 5 essential ingredients that you're going to be using today. So those 5 ingredients you're going to be using, first up, it is Bringraj. It's the Ayurvedic secret to scalp health. It promotes stronger roots and controls dandruff. Then you got your aloe vera powder. Known for its moisturizing and soothing properties, it helps with hydration and is soothing for your scalp. Up next, we got that shikakai powder. Creates a healthier environment for hair growth and reduces scalp issues. And in this recipe, we're also going to be using some of our organically certified golden jojoba oil. It adds nutrients to the scalp while giving you some slip and some moisture. And last but not least, the honey. The honey is an essential part of this recipe. It's hydrating and has antibacterial properties, which will greatly benefit your scalp. First, we're gonna add our dry ingredients together. This is about a tablespoon of each. Mix really well. Now we're gonna add in our honey. The amount of honey I added is about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons. And you mix that really well. And also add in your golden jojoba oil. That's about 5 squirts, which it's about a tablespoon of each. And you mix that really well. If you need a little bit more, you can add another squirt to that and then mix well. And this amount of paste is enough for your scalp. Now you can apply this mask directly to your scalp. If you feel you want to give it a little bit more to slip, you can definitely add more of the jojoba oil or a little bit of water, but not too much. You don't want it to be runny, but you want it to be a nice, creamy, smooth paste. And when you apply it, make sure that you apply it evenly everywhere. You give it a nice massage to make sure you've covered all the areas of your scalp, and then allow that to penetrate at least for like 30 to 60 minutes, maybe even up to 2 hours. And when the time is up, rinse it out with our cleansing co-wash. That's gonna, again, balance the moisture in your hair, easily get it all out because it detangles naturally, so that will help a lot. So definitely use our cleansing co-wash. In the beginning, try doing this treatment every week, and then just, make sure you're paying attention to your, levels of dandruff and the moisture in your hair as well. And then once you get it a bit more under control, you could go to every 2 weeks. And in general, if you have mild dandruff, then you can start with the 2 weeks. That will be perfect for you. And make sure that you're paying attention to your hair and your scalp and seeing how it's responding. If you're getting really great results, then you can go to, using it as needed. Because sometimes, like, the dandruff situation kind of comes and goes, sometimes even depending on the weather and like the time of the year. So just monitor that. So you don't have to stick to using it every 1 or 2 weeks. You can switch it out to using it just whenever you need it. So I really hope you like the recipe and your scalp loves you for it as well. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any of the great videos I have coming out for you. I'll see you soon. See you next time.